guys, welcome to My Glam. I'm Siddhi and today I'll be creating this beautiful Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look for you all. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. So that was it for the video guys. Do try this look and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And also let us know what other new looks you want us to create. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to My Glam for more such fun makeup tutorials.